नुस्तेबंदीचो विषय अजरवट जावन रावला अशें दिसता। आता ह्या विशयाक धरून सरकारच श्रय घेवपाची सर्त दिसूंक लागल्या। ह्या विशयाचेर आपूण मुख्यमंत्र्यांक मेळ्ळो अशें सभापतीन सांगला। उपरांत हांवें ह्या विशयाची पुरायेन मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकाराक आदींच कल्पना दिल्या अशें स्पश्टीकरण भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन दिला।
नुस्तेबंदीक लागून राज्य अडचणीत आयला आणि ते बाबतीत आपूण मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकारा कडेन उलयलो अशें सभापती प्रमोद सावंतान मिडियाक सांगिल्लें।
The opinion of Mr. Pravan Sawant may be considered as his personal opinion, because I am not going to react to that opinion. Neither I am going to give any kind of relaxation on the ban. Compliance are a must. Without compliance, there is no question of moving forward. As committed earlier, that this is a confidence building measures have to be in place. People of Goa expect the government and the FD to act in a very different way by ensuring that all the quality control mechanisms are in place, and we need to complete all of those before we think of anything else. Sometimes tough decisions, there are situations we need to face them as a united Goa. This is in the interest and the health of the people of the state of Goa. Hence, I would not like to react to the statement of the speaker, but his opinion may be considered as his personal opinion, because it is not binding on me in any way, and neither I am going to react to it or take any kind of action based on his opinion. The Bharatiya Janata Party is also concerned about the small fishermen that are coming from outside the state of Goa within a area of 60 kilometers, who sell their produce from the canoes and all in the Mapsa market and from Karwar into the Madgaon market. We need to find a way for them, and I am working on it.
Goa 365 Bureau.